Solana is showing some serious strength again after a healthy pullback. It looks like the bulls are getting ready for another big move. But is Solana about to explode above $250, or is this just another fake out before a correction? In this video, we'll break down the one-day chart, look at key support and resistance zones, and I'll share my next Solana price prediction based on real technical signals. So stay tuned till the end. This is where the next major move could begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Reactor. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon because every day we bring you the most powerful and realistic crypto chart breakdowns. Today's focus: Solana currently trading around $234, up nearly 1% in the last 24 hours. Let's jump straight into the chart and see what's really happening with Solana's price action. Looking at Solana's one-day chart, we can clearly see the strong recovery after that recent dip toward the $190 area. The price bounced beautifully and has now reclaimed the $230 zone, a level that previously acted as both support and resistance. The candles are forming a pattern of higher lows, showing that buyers are slowly gaining control again. However, the price is still below the previous swing high near $250, which remains a strong resistance zone. Now, let's talk about key levels that matter most right now. The immediate resistance sits around $250-$255. This was the last rejection zone where sellers stepped in hard. If Solana can break and close above $255 on the daily timeframe, that could trigger a strong breakout, possibly taking us back toward the $280 level. On the downside, we have major support around $210-$215. That's where buyers defended the price multiple times. And the next critical support sits around $190, which acted as the base of the last rally. Essentially, Solana is now trading in a mini consolidation zone between $215 and $250, and whichever side breaks first could set the next big trend. If we check the volume bars below, you'll notice something interesting. Volume has slightly decreased compared to late August and early September. That usually means the market is in a reaccumulation phase, where traders are waiting for confirmation before making the next big move. When we see a breakout above $250 with a spike in volume, that could confirm a new bullish leg for Solana. The MACD indicator at the bottom is currently in a positive crossover zone. The blue MACD line is above the orange signal line. This is typically a bullish sign, indicating upward momentum. However, it's still early. We haven't seen a massive divergence yet. So bulls need to maintain momentum above $230 to confirm the trend. The stochastic RSI is currently showing a reading near 90, which tells us Solana is in the overbought zone. That doesn't mean it will drop immediately, but it does signal that we might see a short-term cooling off period before the next big push. If Solana consolidates slightly here while staying above $225, that would actually be healthy before another leg higher. From a price structure perspective, Solana has been forming a series of higher highs and higher lows since the mid-August bottom around $130. That's a clear uptrend on the daily chart. If we look closely, each pullback has been getting shallower, showing that buyers are stepping in earlier and earlier. This is often what happens before a trend continuation breakout, when momentum builds up just below resistance before price explodes higher. So let's talk about the bullish scenario first. If Solana breaks above $250 with strong volume, the next target area could be around $275-$280, and then possibly $300, which is a major psychological barrier. Above $300, the next Fibonacci target could even stretch toward $330-$350, but that would depend on the broader crypto market, especially Bitcoin's next move. In this bullish case, Solana could easily gain 20 to 30% in the next few weeks. Now, let's stay realistic. If the market faces rejection again near $250, we might see a retest of the $215-$220 zone. That would actually be a healthy correction inside a broader uptrend. As long as the price stays above $190, the bullish structure remains intact. But a daily close below $190 could open the doors toward $160-$170, which would be a deeper retracement. Beyond technicals, Solana's fundamentals have been improving, especially with network stability, DeFi ecosystem growth, and increasing NFT activity. Institutional interest is slowly returning as well. These fundamentals often act as strong catalysts for long-term price appreciation. So even if there's short-term volatility, Solana continues to show strong potential as one of the top blockchain projects in the market. To sum it all up, Solana is holding above $230 with good momentum. Resistance is around $250-$255. Support lies at $210 and $190. MACD is bullish but early. Stock RSI is overbought. My personal short-term prediction: I expect Solana to test the $250 zone again soon. If we get a daily candle close above that level with volume confirmation, we could see a strong rally toward $280-$300. However, a failure to break that resistance might lead to sideways consolidation between $215 and $250 before the next major breakout. So what do you think? Will Solana break $250 this week or get rejected again? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one of them. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update on Solana and other top crypto charts. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.